We take a spot welding line having a fleet size of 500 robots, a cycle time of 60 seconds, thereof 50 seconds robot running and 10 seconds robot in waiting position. For the simulation purpose, we used 8 hours, 3 shifts for 5 days a week. We compared this between our 6700 based on IRC 5 and our new 6720 based on OmiCore. So it's same payload reach combination, and we are here facing a reduction of yearly of very high numbers, more than 1 gigawatt energy that we are saving per year. So this is not only a goal to contribute to your sustainability aspects, this is directly money that is reduced from your electricity bill and moved out of your OPEX expenses. Of course, this is very different depending whether this is in Americas, in Europe, or in Asia, or in China. We differentiate there between Asia without China or China, because the price level of the kilowatt hours for industrial use is pretty different between these 4 regions. But still, the important message here is 14% of energy consumption, and this is independent if you have 500 robots or 1 robot. At the end of the day, it's 14% savings.